In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Runway Act-2. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a single image into a character that speaks with convincing voice, gestures, and facial expressions, all inside a simple workspace. Once you're on your dashboard, start by selecting Act-2 to create a new session. Think of this as opening a fresh project tailored for performance-driven animation. Act 2 is designed to map a chosen performance, voice, gestures, and facial cues onto a character image so it looks and sounds like that character is delivering the lines. On the left side of your screen, you'll see two main fields that do the heavy lifting. The top field is called Performance. This is where you decide how your character will act and sound. Choose a voice style that suits your character's personality, calm and conversational, energetic and expressive, or anything in between. Then, shape the delivery by adjusting emotion, pacing, and emphasis so the performance feels intentional rather than generic. For gestures and facial expressions, aim for a balance. Subtle movements often look more natural, while stronger gestures can help sell excitement or urgency. A useful tip is to match intensity to context. If your character is delivering thoughtful narration, keep gestures restrained. If it's an announcement or a lively pitch, push the expressiveness a bit more. Right below Performance, you'll find the Upload field for your character image. This is the face that will carry the performance. For best results, use a clear, front-facing photo or illustration with the eyes visible, good lighting, and minimal obstructions like heavy shadows or hats. High-resolution images, commonly JPG or PNG, tend to animate more cleanly, and a centered head and shoulders framing makes alignment easier. If you're using stylized or illustrated art, pick an image with well-defined facial features. Eyes, nose, and mouth should be easy to read, so the lip sync and expressions have strong anchors. With your performance set and your image uploaded, click Generate. The system will process your choices, then render the character speaking with the voice and expressiveness you specified. Give it a moment to complete. When it's done, play it back and look for key details like lip alignment, eye movement, and overall energy. If something feels off, maybe the delivery is too flat or too animated, tweak the performance settings or try a clearer image, then generate again until it matches your intent. And that's all you need. Select Act 2, shape the performance, upload your character image, and click Generate. Simple, focused, and surprisingly powerful.